Thanks to Dave for doing number 2. Question 3 is virtually the same though. We're told that x is a binomial with n being 200. That's pretty large, happy with that. And p being 0.53. Again, that's pretty close to a half, so we're happy there. So that means a normal times those two things together gives us 106 for the mean. And to find out the variance, I'm going to do 106 times by 0.47 to get 49.82 as the variance. The question asks us to find out the probability that x is less than 90. So we don't want anything to do with 90. We have to stop before we get to anything that we can count of as being 90. And so we're going to stop at 89.5. On the calculator then into our normal distribution, and we're looking the lower end, well, as low as we can go, the upper at 89.5. Careful here, the standard deviation is the square root of 49.82, and the mean was 106, and we get a really quite tiny probability there, 0.00970, because it's given it in standard form, just to be a little bit careful. Yep, 1, 2, 3 points there. For part B, we're asked to find out x being between 100 and 110, but we want it to equal 100 but not equal the 110. So that means if we want to equal, we can have anything that rounds to 100, so we can go all the way down to 99.5, but we can't have anything that rounds to 110, so we'll stop at 109.5. So back on the calculator with that one there, just got to change the lower one to 99.5, the upper one to 109.5. And that's giving us 0.511 for that one there. And the last one for question 3, find out the probability that x is equal to 105. So being 105 means that you're somewhere between 104.5 and 105.5. Those things both round down there. So this is probably quite small, isn't it? 104.5 to 105.5. Everything else is the same. So this one here, I've got 0.0559. So there's question 3.